Hey there, I want to show you how to make a thumbnail image out of a kind of bigger screenshot that's taken from somewhere else. So I have taken some screenshots here and going to go into Gimp and just go and find the screenshot from my desktop, and I'm going to open it up. Let me close this last thing. I'm just going to discard. Yeah, I'm gonna open the image, and as you can see, it's like kind of life size from the screenshot that I took. So I'm gonna go to Image, Canvas Size, and in here I can resize it to the size that I want to use on the website. So when I go to the site, I want to go on my site and check like what the rendered size of these thumbnails are. So if I use the Chrome inspector and I click on one of these, I'll get to see if I hover over that main image, you can see here the image URL link. You can see that we get this rendered size here, and I can use that as a guideline to how big the image is supposed to be, how big it's going to like appear on the screen, so I don't have to make it too big and slow the load time. So it says 358 is the biggest dimension. I'm going to make it a square, and I'm going to just make it a little bigger than that. So I'll use 370, and I will go back into Gimp and set 370, 370. And what else? Yeah, that should be it. So I'll click resize. I'm going to go to Shift S to scale this image. There's also an icon button up there if you don't want to use the shortcut. Gonna make it about as big as the square, a little bit bigger, so I could just go and it doesn't need to be perfect for my purposes, so I'm just gonna use that, and then I'm gonna Command Shift export so I can get this as a JPEG image, and I'm gonna rename it here. So yes, I will put that in the folder I want, export it, and then that way I'll get an image that will be the correct size. So when we open that up, it should appear, not that one, it should appear, yeah, you see how big it is. It pixelates when I increase the size because that's too big. So the real size of that image, it probably shows us something. Yeah, here, dimensions 370. So it shows up as that actual size is the same as what it's going to appear as on the website there, a little bit bigger, 370 versus 350 or whatever. So you can see that it's going to give us a good rendering. So I'll go ahead and just take that and upload it here, and we can even go and look at the rendered size after we're done. So let me go and upload this and give it a little alt text. Okay, there we go. And if I update that and then go check this home page now, we can see, if we do the inspection again, here you can see the width height 370 and the intrinsic size is 370. Rendered size is a little bit smaller like we were looking at earlier, but that's fine. If it's a little bit bigger, than that, not a big difference. So there we go. That's how we can take a screenshot, resize it in Gimp to an appropriate size for our rendered purposes on the front end of the website.